Hello students, how the practice is going on at home? Are you practicing or not? Do lot of practice, because practice makes man perfect. Of course, women also perfect. So let us take the next question in our fresh class. The lateral surface area of a cylinder is equal to the curved surface area of a cone, right? If their bases are same, find the ratio of their height. Now there are two things in picture here. One is a cylinder and other one is a cone. They have same base radius, all right, bases are same. So the radius of base is equal to R, radius of base is equal to R. Now what is the other dimension we have for cylinder? You have height. Height of cylinder is equal to h, and slant height of cone is equal to L. Now what is the question asked? Find the ratio of the height of the cylinder to the slant height. What is given to you? The lateral surface area of cylinder is equal to the curved surface area of the cone. Now let me write, what is the lateral surface area of a cylinder? It is a 2 pi r h. What is the curved surface area of a cone? Pi r l. Any cancellations are possible? Pi r cancel. So 2h is equal to L. Now what is the question asked? Find the ratio of height of the cylinder to the slant height of a cone. So height of the cylinder is h by L is equal to 1 by 2. So therefore the ratio is 1:2. Is it not simple, straightforward? If you know the formula, doing problems is very easy. Rather, writing a question will only take a lot of time, but otherwise the problems are very easy. So pause the video, copy this question, solve this, and then we'll go for the next question. Yes. Let me read the question for you. The shape of solid iron rod is cylindrical. Its height is 11 centimeters and base diameter is 7 centimeters. This is a solid iron rod, cylindrical. The height is 11 centimeters and diameter is 7 centimeters. So diameter is nothing but radius by radius is equal to diameter by 2. So 7 by 2 centimeters is your radius. All right. Next, find the volume of 50 such rods. Very simple. See, volume of 50 rods is equal to 50 into volume of one rod. Straightforward question. So it is 50 into, what is the volume of one rod? Volume of one rod is cylindrical rod. So it is pi r square h. So it is 50 into pi 22 upon 7 r square. R square means what? 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into h. What is h? H is 11 centimeters. So 7 cancel. 2 1s are 2 11s are 2 1s are 2 25s are. So what you are left with? You are left with 25 into 11 into 7 into 11. 11 11s are 121. 25 7s are 175. So all I need to do is multiply 175 into 121. It is a 5 7 1. Again 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. 5 1 carry. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Again it is a 5 7 1, and it is 5 7. 5 plus 5 10 plus 1 11. 1 carry, 7 plus 3 10 plus 1 11, 1 carry 2. So it is 21175 centimeters cube. See, you are dealing with volume. So this is the volume of 50 such rods, right? So please try to understand, this is the volume of 50 such rods. Now you can pause the video and then copy this problem. Let us go to the next question. A heap of rice is in the form of a cone of diameter 12 meters. There is a heap of rice, is it not? And the diameter here is how much? 12 meters. Diameter is 12 meters. So obviously what is the radius? Radius is equal to 6 meters. This is the heap of the rice. After that, what? The height of the cone, h. H is given as what? 8 meters. Find its volume. Now, in order to find the volume, we have the formula. Find its volume. Volume of the cone is equal to pi r square h. Pi is 22 upon 7 into r square. R square is 6 into 6 into h. What is h value? H value is 8. So you can write 22 by 7 is 3.14 approximately. 6 6 are 36 into 8. Again 3.14 into 36 into 8 will be 288. Now this multiplication you can do, and so many centimeter cube is the volume of a cone. So that you can try at home. Rest of the part, how much canvas of the cloth is required to cover this heap? To cover this heap you require how much cloth? Means you require the lateral surface area of the cloth. In order to find the lateral surface area, you also require something called as slant height. So I'll write slant height L. In brackets I'll say this is slant height. Right. L is equal to under root of h square plus r square. So it is under root of 8 square plus 6 square. So it is under root of 64 plus 36 is 100, and square root of 100 is 10. So L is equal to 10. Now, what do you say? Canvas required. Canvas required is equal to pi RL. It is a lateral or curved surface area of cone. Now, how do you calculate the curved surface area of a cone? Pi RL. Pi is how much? 22 upon 7 into what is the radius? Radius is equal to 6, and again what is L? L is a slant height, that is equal to 10. So 22 by 7 is nothing but equal to 3.14 into 6 into 10. So I can write this as 6 4s are 24, 4 2 carry, 6 1s are 6 plus 2 is 8, 6 3s are 18.84 into 10, or 188.4. Is it all centimeters? No, it is meter. So it is meter cube, and here also you have meter square of canvas is required to cover that heap of rice, right? They appear to be simple, and what is important is a lot of calculations are involved, so you need to be focused when you are doing a problem. So I want you to practice more and more such questions, and then we will continue in our next video. Thank you, take care, and bye-bye.